Hi, I'm Coco again. Before we get started, make sure you click the subscribe button and hit that all-important bell. Today, I'm going to introduce you our latest model, WLH-DRS950P. 950 means the maximum so-called sheet diameter for this machine is 950 mm, and P means plus. So this is a strengthened type compared with standard model. Now let me introduce you the special features of this machine one by one. Firstly, this machine is upgraded with India PRATI electrical Servo Tool Post with CW and CCW function instead of ordinary hydraulic Servo Tool Post. The second feature of this machine is the hydraulic tailstock. There is a hydraulic hold plate on the tailstock to protect thin products from bending or splitting. The tool post and the tailstock are both driven by Siemens A2AD CNC controller. The third feature of this machine I want to emphasize is its special oil split unit. And it can spray the oil automatically on the working piece and the manual during its working cycle. Even if a lot of oil film is produced when spinning stainless steel, don't worry, because this machine also has oil mist collector. If you are pursuing dust-free workshop, you can't miss it. Lastly, both electrical cabinet and the spindle is equipped with cooling system. For more information, you are welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc.